Hello and welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. This is your go-to space for learning real, useful English that goes beyond grammar rules and boring textbook dialogues. And if you've been here before, I'm so glad to have you back. Today, we're diving into another 10 incredibly common phrases that English speakers use in daily conversation. These are not stiff, formal phrases from textbooks. They're the ones you hear in cafes, group chats, and at work in casual, real-life English. By the end of this guide, you'll not only know what these phrases mean, but you'll also feel confident using them naturally with multiple examples and tone tips. Let's get started. 1. I'm good, thanks. This phrase is one of the most common and polite ways to say that you're okay or that you don't need anything. People often use it when someone offers them something, like food, help, or another round of drinks, and they want to politely decline. For example, if someone says, "Would you like more coffee?" you can reply, "I'm good, thanks." It's also a common response to the question, "How are you?" In that case, you might say, "I'm good, thanks. How about you?" This phrase is relaxed and friendly, and using it makes you sound approachable without sounding too formal or stiff. Other ways to say it include, "I'm all good," or "I'm good for now." Just remember, your tone matters. Say it with a smile, and it will come across as warm and respectful. 2. You never know. This expression is full of hope and possibility. It's something you say when the outcome of a situation is uncertain but still worth considering. For example, if your friend is unsure whether to apply for a job because they think they don't have enough experience, you could say, "Go for it. You never know." It's a great way to encourage someone to take a chance or stay open to unexpected results. The tone is usually optimistic, and it implies that life is unpredictable, which can be a good thing. You might also use it when someone is talking about a rare but possible event, like, "Maybe I'll meet someone special at the party," to which you'd say, "You never know." This phrase is positive, encouraging, and subtly motivational. 3. I'm in. Short, confident, and upbeat. I'm in means you're ready to be part of something. It's a casual way to say you agree with a plan or want to participate in an activity. For example, if your coworkers are organizing a lunch outing and someone says, "Who's joining us?" you can reply, "I'm in." This phrase shows commitment without needing a long explanation. It's also used to show support, like in a group decision or team activity. "We're thinking of starting a group project." "Sounds good. I'm in." You can even add emphasis for excitement. "I'm totally in," or "Count me in." It's informal, enthusiastic, and perfect for friendly group settings. 4. I'll pass. I'll pass is a polite and casual way to say, "No thank you." It's especially useful when you want to decline something without sounding rude or overly serious. For instance, if a friend offers you a strange new snack and you're not interested, you might say, "Thanks, but I'll pass." It works in social settings, invitations, food offers, or even group activities. Let's say someone says, "We're going clubbing tonight. Wanna come?" And you're not up for it. A simple, "I'll pass tonight, but have fun," is all you need. This phrase keeps your tone friendly and respectful. You can also use variations like, "Maybe next time," or "I think I'll skip it." 5. It happens. This phrase is commonly used to comfort someone when something goes wrong. It's a way of saying, "Don't worry, it's normal." Whether someone makes a mistake, forgets something, or experiences a minor failure, saying, "It happens," can make them feel better. For example, if your coworker is embarrassed about missing a deadline and says, "I feel so bad, I completely forgot," you could respond, "Don't stress, it happens." It shows understanding and empathy. The phrase is relaxed and accepting, perfect for situations where a person is already feeling guilty or frustrated. You might also hear people say, "These things happen," or "No big deal," all serving the same comforting purpose. 6. That figures. That figures is used when something predictable or expected happens, often with a bit of sarcasm or mild frustration. It usually means you're not surprised by the result because it's typical or happens all the time. For example, if your bus is late for the 3rd time this week, you might say, "That figures." Or, if someone who always cancels plans does it again, you could mutter, "Yeah, that figures." While it can be humorous among friends, be cautious when using it with people you don't know well. It can sound dismissive or passive-aggressive if your tone isn't friendly. Alternative phrases include, "Of course," or "Why am I not surprised?" Just remember, how you say it matters as much as the words themselves. 7. You've got this. You've got this is a phrase filled with encouragement and positivity. It's what you say when someone is facing a challenge and you want to let them know they can handle it. Whether it's a friend who's about to take an exam, a colleague giving a presentation, or a family member trying something new, this phrase helps boost their confidence. For example, your friend says, "I'm so nervous for my driving test," and you reply, "You've got this. Just stay calm and focus." It's similar to saying, "You can do it," but feels a little more modern and personal. You can also use it casually, in text messages or voice notes. Big interview today? You've got this. It's a small phrase with big motivational power. 8. Just in case. This expression is all about being prepared. You use it when you do something as a precaution, even if you're not sure you'll need it. For instance, if someone asks why you brought an umbrella on a sunny day, you might say, "Just in case it rains." It's often used when packing or planning for uncertain situations. "I'll save a backup file just in case the original gets lost," or "I'll leave early just in case there's traffic." It communicates that you're thoughtful, careful, and like to plan ahead. Other similar phrases include "better safe than sorry" or "to be on the safe side." It's a practical, useful expression that's common in both personal and professional contexts. 9. I'm not in the mood. This phrase is used when you want to let someone know you're not feeling up for something, whether emotionally or mentally. It's honest and clear, and it helps you set boundaries respectfully. For example, if someone says, "Want to hang out tonight?" and you've had a rough day, you can simply say, "I'm not in the mood. Maybe another time." It also works for conversations you're not ready to have. "Let's talk about it now. I'm not in the mood for this right now." This phrase is useful for protecting your mental space, and it doesn't require over-explaining. You can soften it further with variations like, "I'm just not feeling it today," or "I need some time." 10. Long time no see. This cheerful and informal greeting is what you say when you haven't seen someone in a long while. It expresses friendly surprise and warmth. For instance, when you run into an old friend at a coffee shop, you might say, "Hey, long time no see." It's often followed by questions like, "How have you been?" or "What's new with you?" This phrase sets a positive tone for reconnecting and catching up. You might also hear, "It's been ages," or "Wow, it's been a while." It's a great phrase for both casual run-ins and planned reunions, making people feel remembered and appreciated. Final thoughts. And there you have it. 10 more common real-life phrases that will make your English sound more fluent, friendly, and confident. These aren't just vocabulary words. They're tools for connecting with people and expressing yourself naturally in everyday conversations. Try using a few of these in real life this week, or even write short dialogues to practice how they flow. The more you use them, the more automatic they'll become. If you want even more natural phrases, whether for texting, travel, relationships, or the workplace, let me know. I can also organize everything you've learned so far into a printable guide. You're doing great. Keep it up, and remember, you've got this.